Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for dropping by. Today we're going to replace the battery in a BMW E39 remote key. Okay, let's cut the key open. I'd advise on holding the key from the blade section rather than this section where the buttons are, to avoid any risk to your precious fingers. Don't want nothing happening to your fingers just because of an old BMW key. You can end up being scarred for life. Okay, finally got the key open. It did take a bit of a while. I'd advise using new blades to open it. Otherwise there is a possibility you could be there for quite a long time. And there's the battery. There's the battery. So now what we've got to do is desolder this point and this point to release the battery. Right, we don't have no flux, but as you can see, it's already coming off. Battery's already coming off. Don't worry if you don't have any good soldering skills. Just be gentle, take your time, and hopefully it'll come off soon. So the battery has now come off. We just desoldered the soldering points. What we need to do now, we need to put these legs in these holes. You might have to clear some solder away on this side for the legs to fit in. Right, okay, now we've soldered on these 2 points, and I didn't actually have no solder, so what I did, I broke this old phone apart, and the speakerphone, I just desoldered sections and made them blob straight onto the contacts for the battery. It's just because I never had no, well, I have got some solder, but can't seem to find it. So let's go and see if this works now. So I've just put the key back together. I haven't glued it yet, but let's just go and see if it works. Right, now here's the car. Let's test the remote and see if it's all working. That's great. Okay. It's all working. Now all we've got to do is glue the key back up.